right, guys, we are here at one of my favorite spots, the Dollar Tree, and we are going to go in and get all of the things we need to create our beautiful Winter Wonderland Christmas items for decorate our house and our door. So, come on, let's go on in. Guys, you can get most of the items, if not all the items that I'm picking up today, online. So remember, online though, they're in bulk, so keep that in mind. Let's head on in now. So these are both fantastic options for our centerpiece. So I think I'm going to use these. This is because I like the shape of them. They look like hurricane lamps, but you also have these as an option. So let's get about 3 of these and let's create our Winter Wonderland centerpiece. All right, so this is what we use to create the base for our centerpiece. So it's a pack of 2, so they're really 50 cents a piece, which is the best deal ever. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these just to make sure I have plenty for our White Christmas centerpiece. All right, so my oldest daughter is obsessed with these Christmas trees.
Yes.
And and she's videoing me today because that's what she actually does for a living. So it's wonderful to have a videographer in the family. So I'm going to use these Christmas trees to create a centerpiece for our Winter Wonderland Christmas theme. So we're gonna grab some of these and let's keep on moving. So I found these really pretty silver poinsettias. I've used them before in projects, so I know they look fantastic when you put them with all of your other elements. So I'm gonna grab some of these. So let's get started. We're going to use a 4-inch glass candlestick, a 5-inch foam disc, and a 7-inch vase to create the base for our Dreaming of a White Christmas centerpiece. I'm simply going to attach the candlestick to the bottom of our foam disc right in the middle with high heat hot glue. Be very careful because the high heat hot glue does get very hot. And then we're going to repeat that same step and attach our vase onto the top with that same high heat hot glue. Next, we're going to attach our 5-inch bottle brush mini tree right in the center of our vase using hot glue. So I've given you multiple options for pine stems on your supply list. This one, I have to tell you that I purchased at the end of the season last year from Hobby Lobby, and I got the stem for 50 cents. Right now they're about $5, but I've given you multiple options that are all economical. So what do you think, guys? They are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Combining this with our ornaments that we made last week, you're just going to have a whole beautiful White Christmas Winter Wonderland theme going on in your house. So I cannot wait for you to put all of these elements together. And make sure you stick with us because next week we're moving to our front door wreath, which is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to show you guys how to put that together. Notice that I use both sides of the mini brush Christmas trees. So I did one with the taller tree, which is about 5 inches, and one with the shorter one, which is about 3 inches, just to create some dimension in our centerpiece, and it turned out fantastic. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special notification from us the moment our videos are live. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? Formerly known as Ebates, they give you money to shop. Go to the link below in the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is just that easy. Be sure to check out our MissPlanItShop.com website where you can get all of your digital downloadable DIY planning guide needs. We have fantastic planning guides, everything from your wedding to your parties to your baby showers, everything to help you plan the DIY event of your dreams. So head on over there and check us out. Our time always goes by so fast. We are so appreciative of you choosing to spend your time here with us. We love, love, love sharing our DIY ideas with you, and we love your feedback and comments. So by all means, make sure you comment and or ask us a question. That's what we are here for. If you would like us to help you with a project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or click right there in the corner. It'll take you right over there, and simply click on the Project Request tab. Follow the very simple steps, and we would love to help you create the project of your dreams. In addition to that, you can find so much information on our website, from our resource library, which is absolutely free, to all of the written and picture instructions for all of our projects. So be sure to head on over to MissPlanIt.com where you can find all of your DIY essentials. Well, guys, like I said, our time has come to an end. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.